Okay, let me start off by saying, shout out to my buddy Matty. This is a guy I've known since, wow, we played baseball together, Matty and I. We played baseball when we were 13, I think, 13 or 14 years old, raging with testosterone, pimple-faced, barking at each other on the baseball field, try to outshine one another. I got a call from my buddy Matty. He gave me some energy! Some energy! Yes, he did. You see, I lost my first subscriber the other day. My first subscriber lost. Why? What did I do? Good riddance. Let me tell you why. Good riddance. It takes me 1 to 2 hours per night of energy, of enthusiasm, of motivation to get you going, kids, to get you rocking. You see, and for me to put in time and energy and effort into something, I really appreciate you guys listening, and I appreciate doing this. I appreciate the ability to do this from my house in my pajamas. But still, it takes time to do it. For the person that I lost, the reason why is it's too much to handle. It's too much to handle. It's tough. It's like when you're out and it's cold, okay, and you're wearing a jacket or you're wearing a sweater, you could still feel the cold chill go underneath the pants or go into the sleeves or underneath the shirt. You know, what happens is you still feel the cold because there are places where you are vulnerable. There are places that you have not covered yet. I think that's why I probably lost my first subscriber, was because it's tough to swallow some of these energy pills. It's tough to keep going with the motivation. I know it is. It's difficult for me sometimes. But I know that I have to press forward. I have to be proactive. By the way, the word for today, proactive. Proactive, controlling a situation by making things happen or by preparing for possible future problems. That's your word for today. So let me get back to Matty. Matty, my buddy, I've noticed that recently he's been calling me, we've been messaging one another. You know, we've been sharing energy. I told him, as a matter of fact, please, please, please write to me online. That way other people can see, you know, that this is working, that this is a growing community of men and women, of boys and girls who want to share energy, who want to share motivation. So thank you so much, Matty. I really appreciate it. I really like your energy, the way you sound whenever you call me. You're just very positive, very influential. Keep reading, man. Keep listening to the audiobooks. I know that it works because it works for me. So I'm glad that you could take advantage of it. If you could take advantage of these vlogs, fantastic! That's right. Head out of ass is the first step to success. Keep listening, keep subscribing. Thank you so much. Yahoo!